Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to exhaust the hydraulic oil from the boom cylinders. First, we need to find the oil return tube of the multi-control valve. Open the joint here and disconnect the oil hose and block the upper steel tube. Then longer the oil hose with an extra hose and put the hose end into an oil tank. Start the pump. Retrieve the booms with the controller. Then the waste hydraulic oil will be exhausted into the tank. After all the booms are retrieved, the waste oil is empty. Then we connect the hose back on the joint. If you like this video, subscribe to follow us. See ya!